All right, pressing record, and here we go. So lesson 4.4b, we're just finishing off with percentiles. All right, so percentile. This is very practical, by the way, because people use percentiles all the time. It's commonly used, especially like in the medical field. And this is what it means. All right, so a percentile is a value in the data set where X% of the observations fall at or below that value. All right, so for example, to make sense of that definition, if you are at the 90th percentile, if you're the 90th percentile, that means that 90% of the data falls at or below your value. All right, you beat out 90% of everybody. All right, you beat out 90% of everybody, which also then means what percent is above you? Anyone?
10.
10, good, yes. So that means 10% is above the 90th percentile, 90% is below the 90th percentile. All right, and that's what percentile means. That's it. So for example, baby Jared. Baby Jared, when he went to his 2-month appointment, the doctor told me that he, in weight, is at the, I think about the 25th percentile. All right, he's at the 25th percentile. So can somebody tell me, what does that mean about baby Jared? 25th percentile? In weight?
He weighs more than 25% of babies.
Good. And then he weighs less than?
75%.
Good. Nice, Clarissa. Okay, so that means he weighs more than 25% of babies at his age, and he weighs less than 75% of babies at his age. Yeah, that's percentile. Good. Okay, so he's not a very big baby. All right, questions about that? What percentile means? Okay, so let's try this out. Okay, so in addition to weight and length, head circumference is another measure of health in newborn babies. The National Center of Health Statistics reports the following summary values for head circumference in centimeters at birth for boys. All right, so I don't know if you guys knew this, but yeah, they measure your head circumference when you're born to see if you have a healthy head size. Okay, so look at these percentiles. Look at this table, the different head circumferences and their percentiles. And let's answer this question. What percent of newborn boys had head circumferences greater than 37 centimeters? So go ahead and on your paper, on your notes, write down your answer. And then I'm going to call on somebody. All right. And Annie, let me call on you. Annie, what percent do you think?
20.
Say it again.
20.
20? Okay, and how did you? Oh, sorry.
Cause I use like 95 to minus 75.
Oh, okay. When it says greater than 37, it could be higher than 38.6 also.
Oh, like 25.
There you go. Yeah. So 25%. Good. Yeah. So greater than 37, including above 38.6. Okay. So 25%. Just really quick show of hands. How many of you guys got that? Thank you. Sorry, it's really funny because like most of your faces are off. So all I see is just like hands all of a sudden. It's like that musical Pippin. If you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go to the next one. 10% of newborn babies have head circumferences bigger than what value? Go ahead and write down your answer. And Winter, is your camera still on? Okay, just checking. Yeah, you can move your face, but I still want the camera on. Thank you. All right, let me call on Nathan. And Nathan, what do you think?
38.2 centimeters.
Good, nice. And what was your logic?
90% of babies have a head circumference of 38.2 centimeters or lower, so the 10% that have higher.
Perfect. Yeah. So 10% of babies have head circumferences bigger than the value, meaning you want 90% to have head circumferences lower than that value. So 90th percentile is the 38.2. Perfect. Great job, Nathan. Okay. And that is it for the lesson.